Hi guys, it's Shayla here. Welcome back. Today I will be doing an unboxing and first impressions review of the Lebert Fitness equalizer bars with the Simnett Nutrition logos. So if you don't know who Simnett Nutrition is, he is a YouTuber. He's from Canada. He's vegan and he uploads videos about tips on a vegan diet or recipes, also what he eats in a day, and he also gives out fitness tips. If you'd like to check him out, I'll try to link his channel down below. Otherwise, you could just type in Simnett Nutrition and he should pop up on YouTube. Also, a disclaimer, I am not associated with Simnett Nutrition or Lebert Fitness. All these opinions in this video are my own. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So excited! Okay guys, so here's the box. It says Lebert Fitness for all. It's pretty thin. And here's the other side of the box. All right guys, so I'm gonna be opening. I got my pair of scissors. Oh gosh. I think a box cutter might have been better. They taped all along this little thing. Okay, the right side. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. I think they also, oh my god, yeah, they did. They glued it down here. They want it really secure. Okay. Oh, they did glue it. Okay. Let's open it. Okay. Alrighty. Oh. Now this thing is actually kind of heavy. When the delivery guy was walking to our door to deliver it, he was bench pressing or curling it, which was funny. So, oh my gosh. Okay, there it is. So these must be the legs, I'm assuming. Yeah, ooh. Oh, these little bubbles are so little, look. Look how tiny they are. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Okay, we got one leg down. We zip tied this one. Oh, I guess they zip tied it, but it fell out. Yeah, the zip ties broke. Here's another leg, leg number 2, or stand number 2. And it comes with this manual. Ooh, hardware. You get hardware and tools and a manual. Yay, I don't have to get my own tools. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that when you order the equalizer bars, you get a resistance band. Or glute band. How exciting is that? I also have never owned glute bands, so you get a free glute band. Also, you guys, I forgot to tell you, if you use his discount code, Simnett Nutrition's discount code, you get 10% off. So there's the glute band. I'm excited. Ooh, that's a hard one. It's a hard resistance one. Oh, guys, I don't know. Okay. And then you get, okay, instructions on how to build it. Great. Oh, and they give you a little bit of a, oh, you get a little thing that tells you like workouts online and stuff and what to do with it. That's exciting. I'm gonna try that out. Okay. Sorry, my head is cut off because I'm using my phone, so I'm trying to get like everything, but it's kind of hard. So this is the hardware. You get screws along with an Allen wrench. Okay, or yeah, bolts, screws, I don't know, washers. Okay. Scissors. There's a lot of zip ties, so, oh my God. So here's leg number 3. Leg number 3. And let's just cut all the zip ties. How about that? Make it easy for us, huh? Okay. All right, so that makes 4 legs. All 4 legs are here. Now we have the bars, which have cushion down here. Let's just go ahead and get this open. Yeah. So I don't know what it means by extra large. Is that like the height or the size of the bars? I have no idea. It's beautiful, you guys. Look. Here's the limited edition Simnett Nutrition. I'll give you guys close-ups in a minute. Oh, I thought that was a dent. Cool. Okay. So that's one. Here's the other one. How exciting! And here's the other one. Okay. The grip is like so fresh. Maybe that's what they meant by extra large. I'm not sure. Okay, so that was the unboxing. Let me do a close-up of all of the stuff I got in the box, okay? Okay, here's an overall view of all the items. Here are the stands and the free glute band that you get with your order, the grips of the bars, and the Simnett banana logo. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to build this equalizer bar. Wish me luck. So essentially, you're just aligning the holes, and you're making sure that it's parallel to each other, because you don't want them to be uneven. I'm gonna have to get up and look. Okay. Ugh. Oh gosh. I have to make sure the legs are vertical, parallel. Okay. So that's a little bit uneven. Okay guys, I think they're even. So let's go ahead and screw them in. All right, so you need one little washer ring and a screw. 2 per side, 2 per side. Okay, not doing it too tight because I don't want to break it. first bar done. Can you guys even see? Yay, first bar is done. Let's do the next one. They're done! Yay! Okay. Alright, so first impressions. Oh. Okay, guys. So first impressions, I would say that they are very nice, very sturdy, metallic of course. Oh, it has Simnett Nutrition on here. I forgot to show you guys. I'll show you guys in a minute. So these are the equalizer bars. Now, I don't know if he still has inventory left on these bars. I will let you know in the description below. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know what you think, and if you would like to see any other type of videos, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. And I'm doing an unboxing and a first impressions of what's behind me. Lebert Fitness Nutrition,